So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get into this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button, and then you want to turn on your computer again. Now as your computer is turning on, when you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer again and then turn it on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, which will then take you into this screen. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button, turn it on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn off your computer and then turn it on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into this screen. And now we're going to be on here. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you do not see System Restore, you want to click on See More Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on System Restore. And now once this loads up, if you have a restore point previously created, you want to click on Next, and then go back to your restore point, see if that fixes your problem. If you do not have a restore point, that's fine. We're going to click on Cancel. Now for the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. You want to uninstall the latest feature update. Click on this, wait for this to load, and then click on Uninstall Feature Update. See if that fixes your problem. If not, then you want to close this out, and then click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then start to prepare. It's going to diagnose your PC. Let's see if this works for you. If that did not work, you want to click on Advanced Options, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options again, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in C:, click on Enter. Then you want to type in cd space / Windows / System32 / config, click on Enter. And now you want to type in md space backup 2, click on Enter. And now you want to type in copy space ** space backup, click on Enter. And now you want to type in cd space regback, click on Enter. And now you want to type in copy space ** space .. click on Enter. And now you want to type in A, click on Enter. Now for me, I just got some errors right now because I do not have this problem, but in your case it should be working. And now you want to type in Exit, click on Enter again. And now you just want to click on Continue, and then the problem should be fixed. And now if the problem is still not fixed, you want to come back into this screen, and then click on Troubleshoot, and then reset this PC. Hopefully you have your files backed up. You can either choose to keep your files or remove everything. So you can read these options right here. It's up to you what you want to go with. Now once you choose, you just want to go with it, and then reset your computer. And then hopefully then your problem will be fixed.